All right, so I'm gonna install one of these Find My tags. It's from this brand Orbit, and I'm gonna throw it in the door. I had one in the truck that's already covered it the first time. It's just like a regular air tag. I will say I dropped one down here where the seatbelt slot is, and it goes into the frame, but there is an opening in the frame over here, which is probably where it fell out at some point. But either way, probably just keep it inside. I'm just gonna try to find somewhere in this door to put it. You could put it under any door. I would say it's probably a good move. And yeah, that updates roughly every 10 minutes. All right, so I'm on the rear door, and I think all the doors are like this, but there's two 7mm head fasteners down here. All right, so I ended up removing this handle trim with that little plastic pick. Just kind of pry it right out, and there's two more fasteners. All right, and of course there's more fasteners, so just pull this guy out with the same tool, and then this. All right, so these are 5/32 inch diameter rivets. They fit in pretty good. I think the 3/16 also fit, but I didn't really want to use the pneumatic rivet gun. So the only thing is, we're going to be pulling on this plastic. We should probably use metal washers. All right, so these are number 6 washers, and the rivet drops right in pretty well, and they don't really fit in the hole, but it's close enough. I'll be able to persuade it in there. That should be good enough. It'll pull itself in. But yeah, the idea is that this rivet will most likely split the plastic as it goes to pull the shank through. This hole up here actually did not work out. There's like a clip back here that was blocking access, so this is loose. I just did like one pull with the rivet just to keep the washer on the back, and then this guy has not been riveted yet, but let's make sure the washer is there. Yeah. Finish off the other one. I did the classic don't measure and just cut, and ended up with one exposed hole and one exposed rivet, but most likely people won't know what's going on here.